Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen 4. IT Gallery Lenovo Experience Store. Highly configurable powerhouse. ThinkPad T14 Gen 4 business laptop powered by up to Intel Vpro. Highly configurable with an emphasis on security and speed. Environmentally responsible with the use of recycled materials, plastic-free packaging, and reduced emissions during manufacturing. Lightning quick memory, storage, and connectivity, including optional 4G LTE. Supports up to 4 independent monitors. Powered by up to Intel Vpro with 13th Gen Intel Core processing, the Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen 4 laptop boasts high performance and blazing fast memory, storage, and connectivity. It will zip through even your most demanding tasks. Business-class laptops usually have more advanced security and system manageability features and improved ruggedness than consumer laptops. Processor: Core i5-1350P12, 4P core plus 8E core. The Core i5-1350P is an upper mid-range laptop CPU. It's similar to the i5-1340P, but additionally features the Intel Vpro Enterprise Business Class system manageability and security. The CPU offers perfectly smooth everyday home and office computing and extra performance for heavier duties like media creation. Graphics: integrated Intel UHD. Memory: 16GB DDR5, 5600 MHz, soldered. Storage: 512GB PCIe SSD Gen 4. 14-inch WUXGA, 1920x1200, IPS, 300 nits, antiglare, 45% NTSC. This screen resolution provides a decent image sharpness and a lot of space on the display for the user interface and programs. Camera: FHD 1080p RGB with webcam privacy shutter. Ports, slots: 2x USB-C Thunderbolt 4, 2x USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, HDMI 2.0B, headphone, mic combo, Ethernet, RJ45. Optional, SIM. Optional, smart card reader. Battery 39.3 Wh, available with integrated graphics only. Wireless WLAN. Intel Wi-Fi 6E Release 2, requires Windows 11 Pro. Optional WWAN. 4G, LTE*, Cat20, Cat16, CAT4. Bluetooth 5.1. Weight starting at 1.32 kilograms, 2.92 pounds. Keyboard backlight. Keyboard backlight makes typing in dark environments easier. Keyboard spill-resistant track point and trackpad 115mm, 4.53. Touchpad with click buttons built into the surface. The left and right click buttons are built into the surface of the touchpad, as opposed to separate physical buttons. Fingerprint reader integrated with power button. Dolby audio with Dolby voice.